Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of January 2024 for all the Taurus Ascendant people astrologically. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of January for all the Taurus Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Taurus Ascendant people, Sun controls your fourth house, and right now your fourth house Lord Sun is moving in your eighth house in the sign of Sagittarius. Fourth house deal with your mother's health is seen from fourth house, your relationship with your mother is seen from fourth house, your properties matter, your vehicles matter, your conveniences related matter is also seen from fourth house. How much comfort do you have in your life is also seen from fourth house, and all the matters related to your homeland, which is your birthplace, is also seen from fourth house. Fourth house Lord is right now moving in your eighth house. First of all, you need to be drive carefully till 15th of January because your fourth house Lord is right now moving in the house of sudden events, and also fourth house will be your vehicle. So right now your vehicle Lord is moving in the house of sudden event. That's why we were saying you need to be drive carefully in the month of January, especially till 15th of January. After 15th of January, Sun will move to your ninth house. Also, you need to be take care of your properties related matter and your conveniences related matter, especially till 15th of January, till Sun is moving in your eighth house. After 15th of January, Sun will move to your ninth house in the sign of Capricorn. Then after 15th of January, when Sun will move to your ninth house, then we can expect great result regarding your property related matter, regarding your conveniences related matter. Also, we can expect great result after 15th of January regarding your mother's health and your relationship with your mother. Ninth house also deal with your father, your teachers, your mentor, and your higher education. And your travel related matter is also seen from ninth house. So after 15th of January, when Sun will move to ninth house, then we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter. If you want to travel somewhere in the month of January, especially after 15th of January, because long distance travel is also seen from ninth house. And after 15th of January, your fourth house Lord, your homeland Lord, will be moving in the house of travel. Also, if you are in education life, we can also expect great result regarding your education related matter because Sun will illuminate the significance of your ninth house after 15th of January. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Taurus Ascendant people in the month of January. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Taurus Ascendant people, Mercury controls your second house and your fifth house. And right now, Mercury is moving in your eighth house in the sign of Sagittarius. Mercury just moved from your seventh house to your eighth house after 6th of January and will stay in your eighth house till the whole month of January. So right now your second house and your fifth house Lord is moving in your eighth house. So and from eighth house, Mercury is also expecting its own house, your second house. Second house deal with your family history, your family lineage, your savings, your money matters, your speech and your food intake habits are seen from second house. So when Mercury will expect from your eighth house to your second house, its own house, then we can expect great result regarding your savings related matter, regarding your money related matter. Also, we can expect sudden positive event in your family members' life due to aspects of Mercury on your second house in the month of January. Mercury also controls your fifth house. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, how genius you are, how smart you are is also seen from fifth house. Your fun activity is also seen from fifth house. Right now, Ketu is moving in your fifth house, and Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your eighth house in the sign of Sagittarius. So you need to be take care of your love relationship if you have any love relationship, because Ketu create disturbance in your love relationship if you are in education life or if you have any love relationship. Ketu will also try to detach you from your mental abilities. Your brain will not work in that way. You will feel lacking in your mental abilities, till especially till Ketu is moving in your fifth house. But right now your fifth house Lord is moving in your eighth house, in your naturally malefic house. That's why we were saying you need to be take care of your education related matter, if your education life, and also you need to be take care of your love relationship if you have any love relationship, girlfriend, boyfriend in your life. If you are married right now and you have children, then you need to be also take care of your children's health in the month of December till Mercury is moving in your eighth house. So we can expect these results from Mercury in the month of January for all the Taurus ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Taurus ascendant people, Venus controls your first house and your sixth house. And right now, Venus is moving in your seventh house in the sign of Scorpio. First house deal with you, your personality, your overall aspects of life is seen from first house. Your fundamental nature, your fame is somehow also seen from along with 10th house to your first house. Sixth house deal with your court case, your litigation, your arguments, your fights, your daily routine in context of your work, your loads is also seen from sixth house. So right now, sixth house and first house Lord is moving in your seventh house, and from seventh house Venus is also aspecting your first house. Means your ascendant is right now in a strong position in the month of January, especially till 19th of January, because Venus will present in your seventh house till 19th of January. After 19th of January, Venus will move to your 8th house in the sign of Sagittarius. So till Venus is moving in your 7th house, and from 7th house, Venus is expecting your first house. That's why till that we can expect great result regarding your health related matter, regarding all the aspects of your life. Also, we can expect great result regarding your fame related matter, because your ascendant is right now in a strong position. But Venus also controls your sixth house, court case, argument, fights, litigation, difference of point of view. So right now, sixth house Lord is moving in your seventh house, so you need to be take care of your communication disturbance with your spouse or your business partnership if you have any business partnership. Also, we can expect you may face some difference of point of view from your spouse and business partnership in the month of January, due to Venus is moving in your seventh house, being your sixth house Lord. After 19th of January, when Venus will move to your 8th house, then we can expect great result regarding your court case, litigation, and to competition related matter. Things will turn into your favor, because sixth house is a naturally malefic house and eighth house is also a naturally malefic house. When one naturally malefic house Lord will be moving in another naturally malefic house Lord, then negative always cancels each other out. That's why we can expect great result regarding the court case, litigation, and arguments related matter, especially after 19th of January, when Venus will move to your 8th house. Venus also controls your ascendant, and your ascendant Lord also will be moving in your 8th house after 19th of January. So we can expect you will get unexpected gains of money in the month of January, especially after 19th of January, because Jupiter from your 12th house also aspecting your first house, your ascendant Lord. But after 19th of January, Jupiter from your 12th house also will expecting your ascendant Lord in your 8th house. That's why we can expect unexpected gains of money from foreign land. If you have any connection from foreign land, or if you have any work related to foreign land in your life. So we can expect these results from Venus in the month of January for all the Taurus Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Taurus Ascendant people, Moon controls your third house, and right now Moon is moving in your sixth house in the sign of Libra. The positions of planet you're watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of January, or on the basis of 6th January we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in a monthly prediction video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties will always associated with these houses. And Moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, and especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which Moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Taurus ascendant people, Mars controls your 12th house and your 7th house. And right now your 12th house and 7th house Lord is moving in your 8th house in the sign of Sagittarius. 12th house deal with your expenses, your losses, your foreign settlement related matter is seen from 12th house, your foreign travel related matter is somehow also seen from 12th house, your donations, your long-term investment, your spirituality related matter is also seen from 12th house. 7th house deal with your marriage, your relationships, your relationship in general is also seen from 7th house, your spouse, your relationship with your spouse is also seen from 7th house. Your business partnership also seen from 7th house. How you will meet others and how others perceive you when you will meet others also seen from 7th house. Your fame related matter along with 10th house also seen from 7th house. So right now your 12th house and 7th house lord is moving in your 8th house in the sign of Sagittarius, and Mars will stay in your 8th house till the whole month of January. So you need to be take care of your marriage related matter and your spouse and business partnership related matter. You may have to face lot of argument and lot of difference of point of view because your 6th house lord, house of argument lord, house of competition lord is also moving in your 7th house, and 7th house lord is moving another naturally malefic house in your 8th house. So you need to be take care of your communication. So you need to be take care of your arguments and your communication related matter when you're dealing with your spouse and your business related matter and your business partner in the month of January. You may have to face some difficulties to manage all of these matters. Mars also controls your 12th house. 12th house deal with your gain from foreign land, and Jupiter is also expecting from Jupiter is also expecting from your 12th house to your 8th house, and 12th house Lord is also moving in your 8th house. That's why we can expect suddenly you will get opportunity to travel somewhere, especially after 15th of January when your 4th house Lord also moved to your 9th house in the sign of Capricorn. So we can expect these results. Also, you need to be take care of your expenses and losses because your Jupiter represents expansion, and right now Jupiter is moving in your 12th house in the house of losses, in the house of expenditure, and from 12th house Jupiter is also expecting your 12th house Lord in your 8th house. That's why you need to also control your expenses and losses. Also control your expenses in the month of January 2024. So we can expect these results from all the plans for all the Taurus Ascendant people in the month of January. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of January 2024 for all the Taurus Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.